Hey there everyone, Ashwin here back again with another video, and in this video we are going to talk about spinning up an EC2 instance. What is it, how we are going to run it, and what is all about. So let's go ahead and get started. So in my screen you can see I have already logged inside my AWS account. It's a fresh account. Feel free to create one. By the way, they are going to ask your card details, and they can charge $1 for temporary basis, and they're gonna return you back after 3 to 5 business days. So make sure you have an AWS account. And now in the search bar you can see, just click here and search for EC2. I'll have one and click on this EC2. Now what is this EC2? This is quite a fancy name, right? Well, it's nothing. It's just a computer. To host our application or to upload our application, we need a computer. And Amazon or AWS call that computer as an instance. And there are so many types of computer inside AWS, and one such is EC2. So let's quickly click on instance running and then click on launch instances. And then we can just give it a name called my first, or something like my let's write code. That's the one I wanted to have. There you need to choose an operating system for your computer. Usually most of the people and most of the tutorials out there on internet, you will see that so many people are using Ubuntu. Some people call it Ubuntu, whatever you say, no issues with that. So I'm going to select that. And then you can see there is something called architecture, leave it however it is. And then there is a very important thing. You can say instance type. Nothing. It's just a processor for your computer, and you need to select one, right? So we have 2 vCPU, 1 GB memory, whatever that is. We have to select one from in the list. We can select T3 micro. It's under free tier. So make sure you talk to your boss, your client, that what type of computer or what kind of power efficiency he or she needs, so that you can take the decision accordingly. And this is a very crucial decision when it comes to application performance. So make sure you search a few videos and read some blog articles, and I think you'll be good to go then. So as of now, I'm just selecting T3 micro and then scrolling down. You see this keep your login. I'm going to explain this later on, but right now I'm going to click on select, create new keep here, and then just give it a name. Let's write code. So this, it can be anything. I'm just typing let's write code. Then click on create keep here. It's going to download something in your browser. As you can see, I have just downloaded let's write code.pem. So, and you can see inside the select box, let's write code is automatically selected. Then under network settings, I'm going to explain it briefly. Let's talk about it later on so that you don't get confused. It's something that we need to talk about in the upcoming video so that we understand the network request and a lot of other things. Allow HTTPS traffic from the internet, allow HTTP traffic from internet. I have checked those, right? No, let's uncheck this and go with by defaults. And later on, we will be enabling these options. So right now, just leave it however it is. And under configuration storage, like there will be so many of the details. If I full screen my browser, you will see that it's, and again, if I remove the sidebar, you will see that it's in 2 columns in the website user interface. No issues. Okay, cool. we actually did not touch anything. If you see, we just typed our name and selected an operating system, and that's it. As of now, for just learning, that's it, all we are gonna do. So let's click on launch instance. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, successfully initiated launch of instance, and there are a couple of buttons, links you can click, and you can do a lot of stuff with this. I'm gonna talk about these things later in the videos. Not now. Let's go back inside instances, and we'll see that our instance is running, and then click on here and click on connect. We will see we have 4 ways to connect this AWS instance. Right now, by default, EC2 instance connect is selected, and whatever the default option are, just let's quickly click on connect. It will open a new tab, as you can see. By the way, don't confuse with my browser. It's a latest one called Arc, so it's not similar to Google Chrome or something. So that's why the tabs are in the left side. Anyways, you see that the terminal, there is some kind of gibberish, so many text, right? Well, let's click on the cross first and then remove the sidebar and see what it is. Well, welcome to blah blah blah, so many of the text, but you see Ubuntu @IP 172.31 blah 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 stuff. That means we are inside the computer. Well, let's just click Ctrl L and clear the terminal. This is a terminal, by the way, a terminal inside our browser. Yeah, it sounds weird, but that is what it is. Now, if we just type ping google.com, let's see what it gives us. Okay, and then you see the 0% packet loss, 3 received. We did not do anything. We searched for EC2, gave it a name, and created a key pair and selected operating system and clicked on launch instance. And that's what we have right now. You say it's very, very easy. So I know so many people say it's too hard. It's very easy. I know you can do that. So let's go ahead and catch you up in the next one. Bye.